are you guys doing? So today I'm going to reveal to you one of the best protein shaker that I've ever encountered in my life. I'm going to review this protein shaker which I bought from the New Life. It's called by the name Cyclone cup, as you can see here. I've been using it for the past 2 months now, and I'm very excited and happy to share my reviews on this one. I thought of putting the review on the day one, but I gave myself some time, let's say 2 months, and now I am fully used to this protein shaker. See, it looks quite big also in shape. So I'm going to review it. So let's go and let's get the review done. Here's the Cyclone cup that I have been using for the past 2 months. I have bought it from the New Life. So it got delivered within 3 to 4 days to me. So I'm going to show you the each and every compartment of this Cyclone cup. So as you can see, the design is very much superb. The detailing of it, cups looks very good. The shaker, and you see the name here as a Cyclone cup. Okay, so this particular Cyclone cup is around 899 rupees at the time when I purchased it, and it has a capacity of, you can say, 18 O's, that is actually 500 ml. So I'm going to open the every compartment to let you know how the cup look from inside. So this is the opening of the cup. If you can see here, the lid is so solid and perfect. See, you can see the lid. The portion here is actually very solid. So even if you tighten it, there is actually no chance or zero chance of leakage. So that I came to know after I've been trying it for last 2 months when I tried it. There's no leakage as such. Just put the cup, pin it tight, and it works. And particularly it's come with this holder, so it's very easy to carry, unlike other cups which doesn't have this. So you just carry it like this and it doesn't fall at all, or tag it with a bag. So going inside of it, you can see this one. So this is a kind of special part of this cup. So what it does, when you put a protein shaker and water or milk into it, so you just put it like this and shake it. So when you shake it, this particular, what can I say, kind of pyramid kind of structure, or funnel, this funnel will actually help dissolve the protein very fast, very quickly. I have been using other cheap protein shaker before that cost you around 250 or 300 or 400 on Amazon, but this one, if you use this inside this, your protein get dissolved way more quicker than any other protein shaker can ever do. I think this is also patent technology by the company. So this is the opening and this is the one part. I'll just keep it here. Okay. So now as you can see, the cup is, this is a place for putting your protein and everything. Since I just washed it, so there's a bit of water in it. Now let me show you the other compartments. This one, which is actually to keep your pills, and this one to keep your protein shake. Let me open it out for you. So here goes the other part, your cup. And this one, I think this one is also the patented by this company. This is just for to keep your pills here. You can see there's a ample of space to keep your pills. Okay, and this is the below portion of it. One. Now this is the one. This is the very important part. This is where you keep your proteins, or pre-workouts, or after workouts. Here you can keep it here. Is a very big compartment, this one. So this one compartment, this is for your capsules, or what are you going to use, and this one is going to mix your protein like a very, very fast way. It's like a cyclone. That's why the name Cyclone cup, because of this structure. Okay, and this is the one, the lid, the opener with the lid. So this help you carry the protein very effectively. So why I bought this protein, because I thought I saw the reviews, and one more thing, the quality of the plastic. If you can see, the quality of the plastic is actually very good. Mostly what happens when you buy a protein shaker, the quality of plastic degrades with time, but not like that. So this is branded. And one more thing I like to show you before going facing on the camera is that if you want to check the authenticity of this in the market, not many Cyclone cups are original in especially in India. When you buy it from even from Amazon, also you don't want to get the original quality. So all you need to do is check out for this symbol here. Okay, symbol here. If the symbol is here and also here, still the tag is there. Let me remove this tag. As you can see, it's written here Cyclone cup, okay, with this C kind of symbol. So if this symbol is not here in this particular protein shaker, do not buy it. That means this one is not original. Okay. So overall, if I give the rating from 5, I will give it a 4 star. It's a very good, or 4.5, you can say, very good protein shaker. You must buy it if you're a long-term protein user, because this doesn't get expired very soon, and the quality of protein is actually good. The major part is the milk doesn't stick to its walls, which normally happens, or the protein doesn't stick to the walls. Okay, and the other key point is this top one, which I liked it very much, the key holder. So overall, this protein shaker is very good to use, very much effective, and I recommend it to buy it. Buy it from New Life because they actually provide original one. And before I tell you, I'm not promoting New Life here, because you can buy it from Amazon also, but I'm not sure about the seller quality or whether the seller is authentic or not. But New Life sells an authentic product, so I'm recommending that. So overall, it's a very good protein. So if you're working out, you must buy it. It will actually work longer than any other protein shaker you buy from the market. So go for it and enjoy. I'm turning back the camera and just getting live. So guys, that's my take on Cyclone Cup protein shaker. It's one of the best protein shaker out there in the market. If you're planning to buy protein shaker for the long term, not just for 1 or 2 months, I would recommend it to go for Cyclone protein shaker rather than a cheap one that's cost you around 200 or 300 rupees. It is worth the money. It's worth the purchase. It is worth buying, I can say. I hope you like the video and I hope you enjoy it. I will be back with the new reviews of the new supplements and stuffs. Till then, take care of your health. Be fit, be healthy, be wealthy, stay fit, stay humble. Cheers. Have a good day.